Hey guys, back again with another video, another Madden video. I'm going to be opening a premium pack to see if I get any players. Hopefully I can get some gold players that are pretty good. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright. Jake Locker, I don't really need him. Arthur Jones, I'll probably put him on my lineup. Sean Chappis. Cartland Finnegan, I'll put him on my lineup, and Sammy Hill, he'll be on my lineup as well. So, I got three pretty good players. Go update my team. I've had better pack openings, but hey, I'm not complaining. Yeah, so I did replace a couple people on my defense, so that helps. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you later.